Good morning, Steve Freed with the results of the USDA September 1 stocks report and small grain final report. As always, USDA has a surprise for us. This time was a bullish surprise in the corn. The trade was looking for corn stocks at 24.28. They came out at 21.14, which would suggest close to a record amount of implied usage, or maybe last year's crop is overstated. Beans 9.13, the average guess was 9.82. The USDA did come out and revise the 18 soybean crop down to 44.28 versus 45.54. So that would, the stocks number in beans would imply the lower crop number. The wheat 23.85, the average guess was 23.18, so that's a little negative. But we continue to see wheat kind of a mixed trade, with Minneapolis wheat gaining on Chicago and KC, and an unprecedented premium because of the concern about the quality of both Canada and the U.S. Spring wheat crop. The overall last year's all wheat U.S. crop 1962 versus the average guess of 1968, and what the USDA was using in 1980. All winter 1304 versus 1326, and the big drop is soft red 239 versus 257. The hard red winter wheat's 833 versus 840, white 232 versus 229. Other spring wheat is 600 versus 597, and Durham's 58 versus 57. November beans are up 15 cents, corn's up 8 cents, wheat's about unchanged. I really don't think that we need to trade beans much over $9 or December corn over $3.90. So this report could trigger a little bit of farmer selling, especially in inventory stuff, and maybe a little bit of new crop. We just kind of have to watch the weather and see how harvest goes, and kind of watch the outside markets with the stock market up, dollar making new highs, and most commodities lower today. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.